Hello, hello, parents. How are you? I hope all is well. I want to take this opportunity to say I have great, exciting news for you guys. But before I even tell you the great news, I want to take the opportunity to say thank you for always supporting my channel when I put the videos for the Haitian parents that need my support in learning how to speak English, and also for my English parents who always use my channel to watch with the kids to learn, the foundation skills that they need in order to become good readers. So I want to say thank you for supporting my channel. Mwen vle di paran yo, alo ki jan nou ye, se me Jerome-Severe, da soute nou bien, da soute nou gen la sante. Mwen gen bon nouvel pou nou, men avan m komanse avèk bon nouvel lan, mwen vle di nou mersi, eske nou toujou supporte chanel lan. Nou gade videyo yo, deske m ap montre nou ki jan pou nou di fraz an anglè, ki jan nou pou nou apren anglè, ou swa nap gade videyo avèk timoun yo ki jan pou yo apren li, ki jan pou yo fè matematik. So mwen vle di nou mil mersi pou support. So I always share with you parents my whole desire, my whole wish, my whole want is for me to see how many children I could reach out to so they become successful later on. Because I had teachers who 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 take part of who I become today. Yes, if I didn't have those teachers in high school or junior high school that was there for me, or in college, I would never be the person that I am. So I feel the same way that I need to do my part as a teacher to input something so the kids could benefit. So whatever they get, if it's learning how to read or blending or doing math, it will support them later on for the later grade so they could become successful. So that's my whole, what is it, wish, desire. So, so param yo, mwen vle di nou ke nou konen tout dezi ke mwen, se pou m'ede nou. Ede nou paran, pase si m'ede nou paran, mwen ede timoun yo. So si m kon ki jan pou m'ede ou, pou kompren ki sa timoun yo ap apren, den mwen ede timoun yo an tou. Si m'ede ou apren anglè, den mwen ede ou pou kap ede pitito kon li. So, rêve mwen, désir cœur mwen, c'est pour me chercher, toucher tout ti moun mwen ka toucher. Lè m di toucher, m vle di de internet lan, ke se son alphabet yo montre yo, ke se konte montre yo konte, ke se li montre yo li, pou m fon mwen, pou m jwen toucher yo, pou yo ka kon fon bagay, demen pou yo ka vin succès, même jan vin succès. Ou konen, apren, pat fasil pou mwen. So, si petit ou ap lite l'ekol, mou kompren, li pat fasil pou mwen mèm te gen profeseur nan junior high, mwen te gen profeseur nan high school, mwen te gen profeseur nan kolej, ki te edem, ki fèm vin moun mwen geyan. So, mwen vle fè mèm bagay lan an wotou, bakon si l fè sens. So, se dezi kèr mwen sa, se dezi, se tout rêve mwen sa, m konen ke mède yon timoun konon bagay. Okay, so parents, as you know, my desire, if I help you, I know I help the kids, because you knowing how to help your child, meaning that your child will be successful later. Okay, so that's my desire. All right, so I have an announcement. So the first announcement is, oh my God, I wrote a book. This is the book. You can find it on Amazon. It's called Parental Involvement Guide. So this is a book that I put together. Yes. So I know, you know, when I talked to my dad, I was the first one that went to college in my family. So when I talked to my dad, being coming from Haiti at the age of 12, and I asked my dad, what was the biggest thing for you as being the oldest child? He said he could help me with homework. And then my brother, who's a computer engineer, his son came here at the age of 4, and then at that time, I was in Miami. My sister in law was having a baby, and I went to help. And his biggest struggle, he didn't understand how to help a first grader to read. And he found it very struggle. It was very mind-boggling. And I had to tell him, no, this is what we do. This is how we teach the kids how to read. So by the time he had the second one, he was getting a little better. By the time he had the third child, he was a professional at teaching them how to read. So if you don't know, you can't help your child. That doesn't mean you're not educated. That doesn't mean you don't have the knowledge. You just don't have the understanding of the school system. And that was one of the things my dad said when I was growing up in New York. He said he didn't understand the school system, and there was no YouTube back then. So now, when my nephew was here in 20 something years ago, at 4 years old, so YouTube was popular, but it was no educational, and not as it is now. So it was struggling, and my brother said he wished somebody would have a conference with him and say, "This is what you to do at home." So when I told him what to do, so he knew what to do with the kids later on. So I wanted to show you. So it talks about what tests they take, the acronyms of the test. I mean, I'm sure there are many of you here that your children take a test, you don't even know what it is. You don't even know what the green and the red and the yellow mean. So the book has that. And inside the book, it tells you how, the benefit of when you involve in your child's education, for you, for the parents, for the teacher. And I also, inside the page, I cover information like, what do children in kindergarten what do children in kindergarten learn what do children in kindergarten learn And I also put what children in first grade learn. I also put what children in second grade learn. I did it from kindergarten to second grade. I feel like if I could catch you to understand what they're learning between kindergarten and second grade, you don't have to worry about third and fourth grade, because you already gave them the foundational. But if you don't know how to help them, then they're gonna go from kindergarten to first grade struggling, um, first grade to second grade struggling, and then that struggle is going to follow them along. So I didn't want to do that. So this week, my sister sent me something on my phone, where I think it's somewhere in the New York area, but it's in Connecticut. So this young lady, she's suing the school system in Connecticut because she came to America when she was in first grade, I think. Yeah, she was in first grade, and then she graduated high school with honor roll, and she didn't even know how to read a kindergarten level. So she sued and she said, she told the teacher she couldn't read, and then she felt like the school system failed her. So she's suing the school system. And so that's the purpose behind this book. The purposes behind this book is for you to know some basic information, what kids should know, because you may not know, when you go to a parent conference, you may not know what to ask. So I have it in here for you. I even have pages. I even have empty pages. i'm trying to see I'm trying to see if I'm showing you. Okay, so they even have empty pages where you could take notes, because it's a journal. It's a journal. It's not a chapter book. You have to read chapter after chapter. It's like a guidebook. As a matter of fact, it's a guidebook. practical steps to strengthen parents child's school connection. So it's a guidebook. It talks about the acronyms of each of each the scores. What does the first one mean, the second one, and the last one? And what do you do in a parents' conference? When do you ask for a parents' conference? What do you do at home with your child? How do you deal with behavior? How do you reward the kids? So and then if you are a parent who speaks a second language, or there's a culture difference, how do you not feel intimidated for not going to parents conference or not being involved? So that was my book. So it's in the ebook, it's paperback, and also I'm in the process of having it done in Spanish, and I'm in the process of having it done in Haitian Creole, and possibly, cross my finger, have it done in translating in Haitian Creole. So if you're a parent here, you're good at reading Haitian Creole and you could translate the book for me. So send me a message and I would love for you to help me translate this book in Haitian Creole. Alors, parmi eux, c'est Miss Jerome-Severe. Nouvelle nam gen pou nou, hein? Moi, écrit un livre. Yes! Moi, écrit un livre. Ça, c'est un livre que moi écrit. Son forme de guide lié. Guide là, donc, c'est pas un livre pour lire chapitre chapitre. So, ça li fait, li parler, li dit qui j'en pour participer dans l'école petito. Premièrement, li gen information sur gen timoun, li basé de timoun de jardin d'enfant à deuxième année. Moi écrit information qui sa timoun dans première année apprendre, qui sa timoun dans jardin apprendre, qui sa timoun dans deuxième année apprendre, qui sa ou même ou ka fait la caillou, qui importance leur participer dans l'éducation petit tout, si que ou pas parler créole qui j'ont qu'à demander une conférence avec professeur qui ça OK question d'agien pour petit tout pour examen et sous compte sa couleur là yo voye couleur yo ba ou sous compte qui ça yo voulait dire so même mettez dans page hein, ça c'est pour exemple ça c'est page là ça c'est page là ça moi mettez qui ça yo vle di, comprendre qui ça chaque examen vle di, pour qui ça yo bay li. So checker avec koto habité. Hein. Ça son guide lié. So wap jwenni dans Amazon. So moi même marqué moi même mettez en page côté pour écrire. So, sou besoin faire mémo pour tes parents. Ça, c'est pas un livre de chapitre lié. C'est un livre de guide. So, ça veut dire qu'à écrire, c'est un livre personnel ou comprenez? So, c'était intention ça pour moi, t'es écrit un livre pour qui aider parents yo. So, livre là, moi, li en anglais, li en créole, li pral en créole, m'a cherché un monde pour traduire en créole pour moi. So, qu'on traduit en créole, voyez un message pour moi, m'ta vraiment aider. Livre là, m'ba le mettre en Spanish, beaucoup mettre en français. M'attend toujours même qui pour mettre en français, li dans e-book, sous besoin tendre, et puis m'ba le faire audio. Audio côté ou pas le tendre, c'est ça fait besoin monde qui parle créole qui be ka faire pour moi qui ka li créole pas parler créole parce que me parler créole même parfois dans créole là comme si pour moi même pour me lire parce que me pas vraiment flé momo qui les m'ablil et puis pour livre là pour mon pas comprendre ça la pli so c'était surprise ça me gain pour nous so livre ça ou joindre dans Amazon so you find this book in Amazon so please come out and support because I want you guys to have as much support as you can in this book. So it's parental involvement. It's Parental Involvement Made Easy Guide by Sandra Jerome-Severe, made by Sandra Jerome-Severe. So I hope you're excited. Please tell me you're excited for me. Please send me a comment. Let me know. Please, please. So I'm looking forward for my 1,000 supporters to get the book. Ma ton, baka ton, pour 1,000 membres yo mgen supporter. All right. So on lot news mwen gen pou nou. So mwen fè yon nouvo site Sa sit sa se pou gran moun la piye. L'autre jour, m'ta pale a un moun, et puis moun nan di, bon, Miss Jerome, ou gen an pile video ki nan YouTube channel ou an. So, mwen menm se moun nan pa ayisyen non, li di si mwen ta al nan sit ou an, map vreman confuse ki sa pou m'jwen si map chachon bagay pou pitit mwen. E pi mwen pren sa an konsiderasyon, mdi ok, so kon yam pral fon sit. So mwen fon nouvo sit, sa se nouvo sit lan, sa se nouvo YouTube channel lan, li la kek jou, ben pa di jam travay sou li, so nouvo YouTube sa se pou paran seulement. Parents seulement, sou bezwen kon ki jan pou fè fraz en anglais, wap jwen ni la dan. So sa map fè, map travay sou sa YouTube ki, video ki nan lot channel lan, map transfere yo la. So sa se channel pou gran moun. So sou bezwen channel pou ou men, wap vin kote ki make support pou parents haïtien. So, sou bezwen kon pale anglais, sou bezwen kon ki jan pou fè transaksyon la bank, ki jan, ou kompren, just pou gran moun, informasyon pou gran moun seulement, nan sit sa. So, se point, c'est pour just pour parents seulement si m gen quelques informations, comme si m'a expliqué qui ça kane l'écolier, ou am chweni nan pati grand moun nan. So, kon sa pour pas faire trop temps pour chercher, ou pas ka deviner qui j'en am jwen. So, bon mon ti chance pour moi transférer yo nan channel sa. So, sou te de gade video sa yo, kou nan wè m'pa gen aucun moun ki, m'pa gen aucun view parce que me fait transférer yo. So, retourne gade yo encore pour bon kek view comme ça pour channel sa ka pran fil. Okay, so parents, this is a new channel only for the Haitian parents, because the reason it's only for the Haitian parents is because this site will only be for parents like who wants to learn English. They'll teach them how to do conversational, videos. If they want to know how to help their kids at home or at school, and it's in Creole, it will be right here for the parents. So this video is right here only for parents. Only for parents. So please come back and watch the old videos. And you might be an English speaking person and you would like to learn how to speak Creole. So yes, so come to this website to learn how to, you come to this website to use it for parents only. So that's the good part about this channel. So I'll be transferring my parental videos to this website, Support pour parents haïtiens, the supporting corner for Haitian parents. So I will be transporting them. So please come to this website and watch the videos again so I could get my views back. I have a lot of views. I know I'm going to lose them. I know, but please come back and watch them. So for this channel, it will remain the same, but this channel will only be for the kids. So anything that has to do with math, reading, blending, so this channel will only be for the kids. So it will be only for the kids only. Maybe I might change the channel and put kids at the end. So this channel will be only for the kids. So the videos that I have will not be removed. For the kids will not be removed. They will stay there. Whatever video for math, video for blending, video for reading, and whatever video that I will be doing later on, that will be just for the kids. So when I'm done talking to you guys, I'm going to go and add kids at the end so you guys know it's just for the kids. So I please continue visiting this channel, watching the videos. The kids video will not be moving, just the parents video. And until I move them over to the other side, you could go back to the new one. So just for the support, please. So let me know how um I will let you know when I have new videos, just like I always do. Um, so just thank you. I don't know if I said it at the beginning, if I said thank you for your support, but I want to say thank you for the support again. All right, so this is Miss Jerome-Severe. Uh, until next time. C'est Miss Jerome-Severe, mwen di nou mersi, kontinye supporte, sonje bien mwen di nou ke video sa se pou ti moun seulement, seksyon sa, seksyon Miss Jerome-Severe lan se pou ti moun seulement, so tout informasyon kon bezon pou ti moun yo li, apren fè matematik, se la ou vini. So, ap ba mon ti chans pou jistan mwen transporte lot videyo yo sou lot videyo gran moun yo nan soti nan channel sa nan lot channel lan. So kontinye gade, kontinye al gade nan lot channel lan pou nou bam support. E pi, ta apresi sa. Mba konen si mte di nou mersi deja, mersi pou support nou. Bien, c'est tout ça, Miss Jerome te gen pou nou. A bientôt. Okay, and that's all Miss Jerome had. Until next time. Bye.